Hey guys, this is Cucina Del Sul.
How are you doing?
I'm Tariq.
And I'm Ala.
And we have a very, very special episode that is very dear to our hearts today. As you see from our background, we're not in our cucina. We are up in the mountains.
In the mountains of Lebanon. We're back home in our country, Baladna, Lebanon. And look at this space.
We're doing our first barbecue pit master session in Lebanon. And we have gathered some amazing cooks, amazing members of the food community, some of Lebanon's best bloggers. And we're going to have...
And we've called today's event Meats and Mountains.
So, because we're having meat and we're up in the mountain. It's beautiful mountains around us. A special thanks to Tariq Madi and the Madi family for hosting us in this amazing venue in Abidi in Lebanon. And now, let's head over to the chefs. So it started with one smoking barrel, and now he has a whole series of smoking barrels. So we're gonna talk to Smoking Barrel. Tufi, the man, tell us your story about your business, how you got into catering, and then you opened the...
We didn't actually open it.
Okay.
We were soft opening and we were doing some tasting to some friends. We left Beirut to go to do an event in Faraya.
Yeah.
And then the Beirut blast happened, so the place got destroyed.
What's your, personally, what's your favorite cut to cook?
My favorite is the beef ribs.
Yeah?
Yeah. Second favorite, the brisket.
Yeah.
And then the pulled beef. We use the chuck for the pulled beef.
So for tonight, what are we cooking? We got this, the beef ribs, yeah.
Like in 1 hour they will be done. We're doing some smoked salmon.
Okay.
In the barrel. We put them directly on the grates for half an hour to 45 minutes, they'll be done. We glaze them with teriyaki sauce and they'll be good.
Amazing.
And we're doing smoked sausage.
So we've got smoked salmon?
Yes, it's raw salmon, marinated for 24 hours.
In what?
In a mix of soya sauce with ginger, with garlic, and some brown sugar, some salt. We marinate them and then we smoke them for 20 to 40 minutes maximum, depends on the heat.
Let's follow the amazing smells to the next station and see what Joe's got in store for us. He's properly dressed for the occasion. So what are we cooking today?
I'm smoking a whole lamb rack.
This looks lovely. So how long does this cook for?
Like 3 hours.
3 hours.
Our next station is chicken lollipop. It's a drumstick. Okay. You have to cut it, to cut the meat, cut the bone. You have to press it and to clean it, wrap the bone with the foil, rub it, let it sit for like 3 hours.
Meats is one thing, but you also have some vegetables.
Sure.
Tell us about the veggies.
The veggies, the green pepper. This is the oregano, romara, garlic, chili.
This is literally farm to table. And of course, you simply cannot have proper barbecue meats in Lebanon without knowing Mike Shakur.
Now we have the first burger shop in Lebanon since 1969. We brought the idea of the burger from Bulgaria. We started making the burger in a pan. وبدت الشغلة مزحة. ومن مزحة بلشنا classes, بلشنا events, gatherings, أعراس ومكملين. عم بيعملوا short ribs, USDA prime, هذول my products. عم نعمل Viking roll أنا عامله. It's a meatloaf wrapped with bacon. It's a beef bacon with cheese and baby spinach inside, and we're gonna glaze it. And then we're gonna grill some steak. USDA prime New York strip.
أخيراً حدا خطر على باله ياخذ زعتر and actually kind of modernize it, package it, be creative in the ingredients. So we got Fadi from Good Times. Amazing. Great to have you, man.
Thank you for the invitation. So here you have the 8 main flavors. Also, we created several other products from za'atar. We have these amazing sea salt. So in our project, we like to work with farmers and local producers. You have the traditional one. You have the nuts with nuts, cashew, pecan nuts, almond peanuts, goji berry, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and walnut. You have the hot one, which is amazing with steak now and.
Yeah, we're gonna try that for sure.
You have
Fruity?
the fruity one, has cranberry, apricot, fig, and dates for the sweet lovers. You have the one with kishik.
Okay.
This is typical Lebanese. And
What's
typical
Farhouni?
Farhouni is our village. This
Okay.
is where we do. This is where we do the whole concept.
وهون عم نحضر السي سولت مشان نستعمله مع ستيكس.
With all this mouth-watering meat, it looks like we've kept our guests hungry long enough. Now, it's time to eat.
Ice cream sandwich من عند
From Ruba Khalil's kitchen. We're gonna try it. Brownie from Ruba Khalil. Amazing. Thank you all for joining us at another fantastic Cucina event. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram for more to come.